In order to get the most accurate readings from your blood pressure unit, it's important to make sure the cuff is properly applied. In this video, we'll show you how to properly apply an ADC Adcuff BP cuff. Avoid applying the cuff over clothing. If you have loose sleeves, you may roll them up. If they do not roll up to the shoulder or constrict the arm, remove the garment as it may impede measurement. Although you can use an Adcuff on either arm, we highly recommend using the patient's left arm for every measurement. Stretch the patient's arm out, palm up. Support the arm so that the muscles are relaxed. The Adcuff comes with ADC's proprietary size guide markings to help you apply the cuff properly. To begin, align the artery mark with the patient's brachial artery, about 1 inch or 2 to 3 centimeters above the elbow crease. The cuff contains range and index markings to help determine if the cuff is too big or too small. The index line should fall between the range markings on the inside. If the index line falls below the minimum, select a smaller cuff size. If the index line falls above the maximum, select the larger cuff size. When you have the correct cuff size, fasten the cuff using the hook and loop adhesive. The cuff should be just tight enough that you can fit 2 fingers under the edge. You are now ready to begin taking your blood pressure reading. For more information, watch our other videos or visit the ADC Learning Center.